Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about being more approachable. I will specifically be showing you and telling you how to seem more approachable, and these will be easy instructions. So let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do and you can say and you can sort of show that will allow you to just sort of seem more approachable. So if you want to be more approachable and sort of be approached by more people, these are 5 things that you can try out. Without further ado, we're going to get right into it, starting off with number 1. Number 1 is smile, okay? You gotta literally smile. Now, I'm not saying walk around with like your biggest smile, right? You don't have to walk around like this, because that looks a little bit like, woo, you're a little bit crazy, right? No, I'm not saying walk around with your biggest smile, but just like smirk. Like as you're walking, have a positive face. So just, like as I walk, this is probably how I would look as I was walking. It's a little smile, just a little smirk. Now, if you're like talking to someone, of course smile. But if you're walking around or you're just sort of waiting to be approached and you're not talking to anybody, just a little smirk. It just makes you more approachable. It's just a positive sort of thing that you can put out there that makes you more approachable. Plain and simple. So smile. Smile when you're talking to somebody, and even just when you're just regularly being there, right? Just have a little smirk. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is be more talkative. You gotta talk more. I know you might not be a talkative person, that's totally fine. But if you want to seem more approachable, you gotta be more talkative. People have to want to come and talk to you and think that you're gonna be able to have a good conversation and sort of, talk back to them. So just try and be a little bit more talkative. If you're already super talkative, then you probably don't have to be more talkative. But if you're not super talkative, then try and just be a little bit more talkative than you've been previously. It'll make you seem more approachable. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is be more understanding, okay? By that I mean, like, be a bit more understanding. Be a bit less judgmental. Nobody wants to talk to someone that's going to be judging them like crazy. So be more understanding, be less judgmental, just be more open-minded in that sense, right? So basically make it seem so that when people come and talk to you, whatever they say to you, you're going to understand it. You're not going to judge them, but you're going to take the position of understanding instead of the position of judgment, okay? So be a bit more understanding. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is Number 4 is have a relaxed body language. I was going to say have an open body language, but I wrote down for number 4, have a relaxed body language. But they're both true. You should have an open body language, and you should also have a relaxed body language. Open and relaxed in terms of your body language. What does that mean? That means you're not like just standing there aggressively. No, you're relaxed, right? And also, this would be closed, open. So it's kind of both of them. You want to have a relaxed body language, and you also want to have an open body language. Arms out to your side, kind of relaxed, nothing too aggressive. Like obviously you want to have correct posture, but you don't want to be like, walking around like this. No, relax yourself. Relax. Open the arms a little bit like this, right? Have a relaxed body language and have an open body language. It just makes you seem more approachable, right? If you're standing like this, everyone thinks you might be angry. No, even if you're not angry, you're going to look angry if you're like this, right? Relax. Relax the body language. Open the arms. Have an open body language. You're good. That's number 4. Last but not least is number 5. Number 5 is be open to conversation. That means be willing to talk about many different things. Obviously, I'm not a huge fan of sports. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't watch sports. I don't really play sports. Like, I know how to play sports, and my wife watches sports, so I'll just watch them with her, but most of the time I'm just playing video games while she's watching like a certain game. And obviously the big games, I watch those big games, of course, the ones that really, really count, the main games, they happen like once a year, once every 2 years, whatever the case is, those ones. But if someone talks to me about sports, I'll talk to them about sports for hours. Even if I don't know a ton, I'm willing to converse with them about sports. So be open to conversation, even if it's about stuff you're not that interested in. If you want to seem more approachable, you got to be open to conversation. You got to be willing to talk to people about basically almost anything, right? So just be open to conversation, even if you don't know stuff about that topic, even if you're not interested in that topic, even if you don't like that topic, just be open to talking about it. Be open to conversation. You will seem more approachable. And that's basically it. I've got nothing else to say. say, those are the things to try out, and hopefully they will help you, and hopefully they will work for you. And with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.